What's going on, everybody? My name is Zach Hartley, and today I'm going to be buying Amazon and Alibaba. Let me show you the charts and let me explain why. Okay, so this is the screen that I'm looking at right now. So this is Amazon basically over the last 4 months, and the reason I am buying Amazon is because, as you can see here, at the middle of March, Amazon dipped all the way down to that kind of $1,700 mark. They were kind of hitting their low, and then since then, at the height of COVID, they have come back. They've come all the way back, and they basically tested this $2,500 mark a couple of times. Once right here kind of at the end of April, once again in May here, and then they tested it at the beginning of June, and they finally broke through on June 8th. Since then, they had 3 positive days where they climbed up to $2,700, and then it fell back down. It had 3 days where it traded lower and it tested that $2,500 mark. Now it has bounced back from that $2,500 mark and has set a new all-time high. That is why I want to buy Amazon, because we have broken through a significant level of resistance that was previously there. We have come back down and we have tested it, and now we are setting a new all-time high. So I am going to be buying Amazon. I'm going to buy the actual options on it. So I'd love to know your opinion. If you agree with my methodology, if you don't, leave a comment below. And then the other stock that I'm interested in right now is Alibaba. The reason I'm interested in Alibaba is a couple of reasons. Number one, we hit an all-time high rate at the beginning of January 2020, and then we crashed all the way back down to $165, $170 here when COVID was at its peak here in March. Now, since then, I kind of identified basically an ascending triangle right here where the price was coming in. We did have kind of a breakout from there, and then we came back down. Now, what I really like though is that since then, basically in this month of June, we've gone from this $200 mark all the way back up to $228, and we are literally testing the all-time highs right now. So that is what I've marked out here with this green horizontal line, showing that Alibaba is basically retesting its all-time highs from the beginning of 2020. I think with everything that's going on, I think over the long term, we are going to see this significantly grow. I think it's going to break through this all-time high. I think it could come back down and test it just like what Amazon did, and then I do think it's going to continue. However, I am a little bit worried about a second wave of COVID. So in the event that that happens, I am going to get out of it right away. So because of that, I am going to hedge my bet a little bit. I'm probably going to buy either options, or I'm going to buy the stock and do some put options on it. I'm not quite sure yet, but I am going to make a trade on both of these today. So I want to put that out there, see what your guys' take on it. If you guys have any feedback, let me know in the comments below. If you think it's a good buy, let me know that as well. And if you get anything from this video, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.